Hey Internet, this is just a quick video to show off my 3D printable standoff wrench for Raspberry Pi. So if you've ever done any work with Raspberry Pi hats before, you're probably familiar with these standard brass standoffs. So I've created 3 wrenches to help you work with them, a 3mm, a 4mm, and a 5mm. So I have a couple different hats here. My most recent hat is this stackable stepper motor driver from Waveshare. So I'll just do a quick demo here. For the most part, the brass standoffs themselves are large enough that you can fasten them onto your Pi pretty easily without needing to use the wrench. But where the wrench really comes in useful is for adding these little nuts onto the top afterwards. So I'll just stack my motor driver on top here. And see if we can get this little nut on here, especially for somebody with big fingers. Grabbing these nuts and tightening them, it can actually be very difficult. So as you can see here, I'm even struggling to get my nut threaded on the top of my standoff. If you can get it at least started with your fingers, then the wrench gives you that extra oomph you need and leverage to really get it nice and tight. So here I've got the bolt threaded pretty well with my fingers. And you can see now, though, to get that extra little oomph, you can pinch the bolt pretty well with your wrench here. And that leverage in the handle gets it really good, nice and tight finish to know that you've got a really solid and professional product in the end here. So I hope you like that. Thanks for watching.